Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. So today we are going to be cleaning the aircon vent on the Proton Inspira, but this is applicable to all car models as well. So let's have a look. As you can see, while I do clean my car very often, but the aircon vent was neglected and you can see how much dust and dirt in it. So what are we going to use to clean this up? A simple tool that I bought from Mr.DIY. This has a brush and a cloth attachment. So let's get to it. Okay, so there is a couple of ways that you can do it. Actually, two ways. One is you use a vacuum and you use the brush to agitate the dust and vacuum it out. Or another way, which is the lazy way, because I don't want to bring the vacuum out, is that I'll start the car and then I will put the aircon blower to maximum and I'll have it blow all the dust to my face because I need the dust. Okay, and then close off this vent, close off this vent, close off this vent. Then put this to maximum. Oh yeah! Let's have some dust blown to our face, shall we? Okay, now that we have the dust blown all over my face, we will wet this up. This is already wet, as you can see, water will drip. Okay, not too wet, and we'll clean the fins. So it may not look dirty over here, but you'll be surprised. Alright, let's have a look. Okay, let's close off the vent. Will you look at that? Okay, you can see how dirty it is. And let's see how clean we got this too. Okay. Now let's have a look. Very clean. No more dust. Cool. Okay, so yep, you can use a cotton bud, or you want it to be easy, just use something like this and follow my method. Just use the aircon to blow everything out. Pretty quick, so one vent probably takes you about 30 seconds to a minute. This costs I think about 3 ringgit 90 cents at Mr.DIY. So very easy DIY. Hopefully this helps, and that's the end of this video. If you have not done so, make sure you hit the subscribe, make sure you hit the like, make sure you hit the bell button so you get notified on our next upload. And till then, I will see you again.